Hello friends, welcome to Pristine Tech School channel. I'm Param and friends, today we are going to learn math functions in PHP. Friends, today in part 1 video we will discuss what is PHP math functions and some important PHP math functions. These functions we will discuss in part 1 video and these functions we will discuss in part 2 video. Friends, in my previous videos I explained PHP array better. If you want to learn this, you can find that video on our channel or previous videos link is mentioned in the description below. Blog link is also in the description. Guys, I very frequently upload videos on various technology. I also create videos considering the interview questions in mind. If you have any particular topic on which you want me to create detailed video, let me know in the comment section below. So friends, subscribe and press the little bell icon. Now let's start with part 1 video. First of all, what is PHP math functions? PHP provides many predefined math constraints and functions that can be used to perform mathematical operations. PHP math functions have a lots of math functions like base converter, binary decimal, cos, sine, log, pi, max, min, sin, tan, square root. These types of lots of functions are. Now let's start with first function, ABS function. Now what is ABS function? This function returns an absolute value of a number. Now what is absolute value? Absolute value is a positive value. It returns a integer value, but if you pass floating number value, it returns a float value. Now let's start with an example. Echo braces के अंदर ABS function, then again braces के अंदर we have to give a value. Let's suppose I'm giving a value, negative value. Save. Now see the output. It gives me a positive value. Let's suppose here I'm giving a negative value with float value. Save it and refresh it. See, this is a absolute value, positive value. This is a ABS function. Now next function is a ceil function. Now what is ceil function? The ceil function rounds a number up to nearest integer. Let's understand it with an example. Echo braces semicolon, braces के अंदर ceil function, braces, and here I'm giving a value. Save it, refresh. First of all, we have to make it as a comment. Save and refresh. See, it's giving me a value 4. This value 4 is a rounds a number up to nearest integer value. Let's suppose if here I'm giving a 4. Save and refresh. See, it will give me a value 5. This is a ceil function. If in a ceil function I'm giving a value in positive or negative, here I'm giving a negative value with fractions. Save it and refresh. See, -4. It gives me a value -4. This is a ceil function. Now third is a floor function. Now what is floor function? Floor function is the opposite of ceil function. In the floor function, it rounds a number down to the nearest value. Let's understand with an example. Echo braces semicolon floor let's suppose here I'm giving a value 4.6. This is a value 4.676. Let's save it and refresh. See the output. Output is a 4. If here I'm giving a number 6, save it, refresh. See, the output is 6. The floor function rounds a number down to the nearest integer. Now fourth function is a max function. Now what is max function? It finds highest value with the max function. This function have two methods. First is a echo braces semicolon in the braces max again braces to these are a number of values. Now let's save it. Refresh it. See, it's giving me a old value. Make it as a comment and now save again. Refresh. Now see, The highest value is a 86. This is a highest value. Now this function have another way. This is a echo braces max array and here a list of array. Now save it. Refresh it and see. The highest value is 46. Here the highest value is 46. This is a max function. It gives a highest value. Now next is a min function. Now we will discuss min function. What is min function? This is a minimum value function. It finds the lowest value with the minimum function. Now let's understand with an example. Echo similarly max function, min function also have a two ways. First is a echo max. In this I'm giving a list of numbers. Save it and refresh. It will give me a value 1 because 1 is a minimum number in the list. Now let's discuss second way, echo min, again braces array, again braces, and the array here I'm using a list of array list. Save and refresh it. Now see, it will give me a value, minimum value. That's why it's giving me a value 0, because in the code we have a minimum value is a 0. If remove it, save, refresh, it will give me a value 8 because here 8 is a minimum value. Now next function is a log function. Now what is log function? Log function, it returns a natural algorithm of different numbers. Let's understand it with an example. Echo log is the name of function. Here I'm giving a value, save it, refresh it. See, this is a answer. This is a log value of log 5.678. Let's suppose if here I want to find a result of log 2, save it and refresh it. This is a result. If I am using log 1, save, refresh it. Log 1 is always 0 and the log 0, refresh it. Log 0 is a infinite. This is a log function. Now friends, in part 2 video we will discuss these functions. Friends, I hope you will like this part 1 tutorial. Let me know if you have any follow-up question in the comment section below. We will coming soon with next exciting part. If you friends you like our tutorial, then please don't forget to hit like, share and subscribe the channel, and also press the little bell icon so that you get notified. Thank you.